Day 1, Why Learn English and How to Start. Hello everyone. Welcome to day 1 of our English learning series. Today, we will talk about two very important questions. First, why should we learn English? Second, how can we start learning English easily and without fear? If you are watching this video, it means one thing. You want to improve yourself. And that decision itself is the first step toward success. Why is English important? English is not just a language. English is a tool for growth. Today, English is the most widely used language in the world. It is used in education, jobs and business, technology and the internet, travel and communication, interviews and professional life. If you know English, the world becomes bigger for you. If you don't know English, your opportunities become limited. English and career growth. Many good jobs require English skills. When two people have the same qualification, the one who can speak English confidently gets the opportunity first. Why? Because English shows confidence, communication skills, professional attitude. You may be very talented, but if you cannot express your thoughts, people may never know your true potential. English helps you present yourself better. English in daily life. English is everywhere. Mobile phones, social media, WhatsApp messages, YouTube videos, online forms, banking and apps. Even basic English helps you understand the world around you. Learning English means becoming independent. Fear of English, the biggest problem. Now let's talk about the real problem. Many people say, "My English is weak. I feel shy. I make mistakes. People will laugh at me." Let me tell you something very important. Why try pointing backhand index? Everyone makes mistakes while learning. Why try pointing backhand index? Mistakes are proof that you are trying. No one is born speaking English. Everyone learns step by step. So first, remove fear from your mind. You don't need perfect English. You don't need big words, heavy grammar, British or American accent. How to start learning English the right way. Now let's talk about how to start. Many learners make one big mistake. They start with grammar rules. This is the wrong approach. Think about a child. A child learns to speak first, then read, then write, and grammar comes last. We will follow the same natural method. Step 1. Start listening. Listening is the foundation of any language. From today, listen to English daily. Even if you don't understand everything, you can listen to simple English videos, English stories, English conversations, English news in slow speed. Your brain will slowly get used to the sound of English. Step 2. Start speaking without fear. Don't wait for perfect English. Start speaking from day 1. You can start with simple sentences like, "My name is. I am learning English. I like this video. Today is a good day." Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Speak daily. Even 5 minutes of speaking every day is enough in the beginning. Step 3. Think in English. Most learners think in their mother tongue and then translate into English. This creates confusion. From today, start thinking in English. For example, when you see water, think water. When you see a book, think book. When you wake up, think good morning. Slowly, English will become natural. Step 4. Learn small, daily. Don't try to learn everything in one day. English is not a race. It is a journey. Learn 5 new words daily. 2 to 3 simple sentences daily. Consistency is more important than speed. Common myths about English. Let us break some myths. Crossmark, I am too old to learn English. Heavy checkmark, age doesn't matter. Practice matters. Crossmark, I need good grammar first. Heavy checkmark, communication comes first. Crossmark, I must be fluent in 1 month. Heavy checkmark, fluency comes with time and practice. Your English learning mindset. From today, remember these rules. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Don't compare yourself with others. Don't stop practicing. Believe in yourself. Every expert was once a beginner. What we will learn in this 30-day series. In this series, you will learn basic English speaking, daily use sentences, common English words, how to form sentences, how to speak confidently, how to improve pronunciation, how to think in English. If you follow this series honestly, you will definitely see improvement. Small task for today, day 1 practice. Before ending, here is your day 1 task. Say these sentences aloud. My name is underscore 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 underscore. I am learning English. I want to speak English confidently. Listen to at least 10 minutes of English today. Promise yourself, white right pointing backhand index, I will practice English every day. Closing motivation. Learning English can change your life. But only if you decide not to quit. Start where you are. Use what you have. Do what you can. This is day 1. Your journey has just begun. See you in day 2. Thank you for watching.